In Kansas City, helical piers are used for multiple applications. They could be used for deck support, new construction of homes, and you can even support existing homes or recover existing homes. They're steel pylons with radius plates on the end of them, and they're applied through the use of hydraulics, either a skid steer or a mini excavator. And they're rather straightforward process for installation, although you do need to be highly qualified to install them. The cost of a helical pier can really vary on the application, but we can give you some general settings at least to consider when you guys are thinking about installing helical piers. Depending on the application, depending on the availability of the application, what is the landscape like? Is it graded? What's the soil type like? How much room do you have to install? How long is the helical piers? Because they can vary in length, but generally speaking, you're usually looking around $2,500 up to $4,000 per helical pier. It could be lower on that end. It could even be below $2,500 if we're talking about short pilings. 3-4 foot helical piers could be slightly lower, but generally speaking, I would say the majority of those helical piers cost between $2,500 and $3,500, ranging on the outside of those upwards near $4,000, maybe slightly lower than $2,500, depending on the application.